Today I pranked my dad. Guys, you do not want to miss this. This was insane. Oh guys, I have got a banger for you today. Good morning, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys had a lovely day, whatever you guys are up to. As you can see by today's title, guys, your boy is pranking my dad. I see by the thumbnail and title, it is honk prank on my dad. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to Beaumont Leys, a shopping centre. It's about 20 minutes drive from here. I'm going to write in the back of his car with this board, guys, honk for good luck. And I'm hoping this video will go to plan. There's two ways where this video can go. People don't honk, which means the video ain't going to work. You won't see this video basically because obviously it's not worked. Or people honk and it makes my dad angry, guys. And that's the reaction I'm looking for today. I really hope it makes him angry, guys. Yes, guys, please wish good luck. I don't know how this is going to work because it has been raining, but it seems to be a bit better at the minute. So let's get a move on, guys. Get started, guys. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not already. Boom. Let's do this, guys. I've got this cardboard here from the Pizza Hut. So what I'm going to do right now is write on this card, and I'm hoping it goes to plan, guys. So let's do this, guys. I'm so excited for this. It has to be perfect. See right now, honk. Oh god, the pen's running out, but it looks so good so far. Guys, yeah, honk for good luck, please, guys. So right now, I'm gonna go outside, gonna start putting this on my dad's car, guys. So I really hope this works. This may be the best prank I've ever pulled off. Let's put this on the car right now because it's gonna start raining again. Let's get out. Let's go, guys. Let's flipping go, baby. It's time, guys. It's time. It's time to do this. Let's get it, baby, and let's flipping go. That's right, guys, we're going to Beaumont Leys today. We're going to Beaumont Leys today to have a look round. All good, all good, all good. Yeah, man, let's do this. We're on the way to Beaumont Leys now to hand out some of these leaflets right here. We've got like all sorts, and we've got like the business cards there now as well. We've got them delivered on Friday, thank God. It took ages to come get them. So yeah, we're gonna have a look around. Let's see what we can do with them.
Yeah, it's warmer than you think, even after the rain.
Yeah, it's important. Yeah.
Let's come at home.
Oh, hey! What was that?
I don't know.
Who was that at then?
I don't recognise him.
Are you doing the speed limit? How weird. Beep.
I don't know anybody who owns a black BMW.
Black BM? Oh, you can't be on, isn't it? What's it beeping for? What's it beeping for?
Must be someone else.
Weirdo.
Oh, weird.
What was it? Someone just beeped at you again?
Yeah.
Where? They got a car behind you?
Yeah, there's that van behind me, I think.
The van? Oh yeah, the van, yeah.
What's going on?
Don't recognise him, mate.
Don't recognise it. Paranoid now? Yeah.
Did you hear that beep?
What are they beeping at you? What are they beeping at
That's
you?
a bit weird, isn't it?
Look at you.
3 times. I'm filming this, by the way, because it's funny. I'm filming.
I'm doing 30 mile an hour.
It's 30 miles on the road, yeah, so.
It's not beeping to go faster or anything.
No, well, you better not go faster. Bloody hell. That's 3 beeps now. I'm filming this because it's beeping. Everyone's beeping at us.
That was another one then.
Who's doing it, man? Who's beeping so much?
I've got to pull over.
It's the car behind. What? You gonna pull over?
I have to pull over when I can park somewhere.
Why?
Well, I don't know what they're beeping at.
It's just probably you're driving funny. I don't know.
Funny?
You're driving funny, yeah. There you go.
Oh, it's just gone again.
Yeah, you got a BMW behind us.
Oh, not that same one either.
Not the same one, no.
It's a silver one this time.
I think you're driving funny today. I don't mind they
That's
keep.
about 6.
I don't mind they keep beeping at you, man. It's so annoying.
That is ridiculous.
God.
What? Bloody van behind me now beeping.
Another van. Oh yeah, the van. And those cars keep coming down. I don't mind the beeping at it. It's so weird.
I can't even have a look. Strange.
What's strange?
It can't be somebody else, not 6-7 times now.
I think you just must be driving fun, like I said. You're driving a bit wonky today.
Wonky?
You are driving a bit like because you're getting stressed about beeping. It's just weird. Makes you paranoid, man.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Making me paranoid.
What's happening? Jeez. So bad. Hey. Oh. What the? Was it him?
Yeah. You're right.
Was it him? Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, he's gone now.
I don't know him, do I?
No.
Oh. What's he doing?
You see that? You hear that?
Yeah. What is he doing?
That's 7 now.
That's a Honda. I don't recognise that car at
It's
all.
a 7. It's 7 now. You've got 7 beeps. God.
That's odd.
What's
I
happening?
don't know, but
They're making you angry, eh?
not angry, just a bit worried.
Worried?
Alright, I'll go look at the blinking car in a minute. Cheesed off with it.
Cheesed off.
Yes.
Cheesed off. Ow.
Cheesed off.
Ow.
Those bumps are getting on my nerves, no.
Bloody hell.
I'm getting cheesed off with everything. Was that another beat?
Yes, yes.
Oi! Get lost! What's wrong with you?
Oh my god, it's getting angry, look. I filmed all this, you know. It's so funny to keep just driving to Beaumont Leeds and like there's so many cars like beeping at us.
Still following me?
He's still behind you.
What's he beeping for?
He's still. Yeah. Bloody hell, man. That's so funny, isn't it?
Get out of it.
You're getting fed up with it.
Yeah.
I've not seen this angry for ages, man. I've not seen this angry for ages.
Well.
There's a guy on the bike going past on his bike at the same time.
I've had about 7 or 8 beeping at you.
When my dad shut that window, there's a bike person going on his bike crossing. Right, hold up right now. Let's reveal it was the prank. Because I see in this video right now, he is getting so damn angry and I can't take it anymore. Time to reveal it was the prank. Let's go. Right, Dad, what's happening? All the beeping?
I don't understand it.
Don't understand it?
There must have been 20 beeps on the way to Beaumont Leeds. It's about 3 miles.
Yeah. So let's come out here and show you something. Bloody hell, that's so annoying. Oh, bloody hell. Come out here, Dad. There you are. How do you feel? That stayed on all the way down here, that's so good. You smell it? Not.
No wonder.
They wouldn't have people beefing at you.
That is hilarious.
Oh man. You like it? It's good, isn't it?
Different, mate.
You're not angry anymore.
Oh, I wonder why I've been honked all the time. I must have good luck today.
And the camera rolling for 10 minutes. Oh my god.
Did you want to take any of them things with you?
Yeah. Boom! Guys, what a prank. What a video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this prank, guys. It's probably one of the best pranks I have ever pulled. If you liked it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and please comment, guys. That has to be one of the best pranks I've ever done. Please let me know if you liked it. If you did, like I said, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one in the week on Thursday. Okay, stay positive, guys. Keep your head held high, keep pushing forward. And I've also got a very exciting announcement. Got a video coming out soon with something exciting, guys. Okay, so please stay tuned. Next week or the week after, 2 weeks, a week or 2 weeks from now, you'll see another announcement, guys. Okay, I've been working on this quite a long time, and hopefully I can get it all sorted and show you guys. Okay, so stay tuned, stay bloody tuned, guys. Anyway, good night.